Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 44 practice set, which we're going to practice multiplying two-digit numbers. Have these all ready to go? Let's begin. 31 times 2. Remember I start with my ones and then I go over to my tens. So they want us to find the product. That's code for multiply and your factors, and you'll come up with your product. So here we go. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And notice that I put that my first number right underneath my 10 and then move this over into the hundreds column. See, I'm going to scroll down here. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 0, easy, 0. 2 times 3 is 6. Or you could have just said 3 times 2 is 6 and put a 0 on. In fact, let's try that. 4 times 3 is 12, and then we put a 0. 0 times 0, we know that this is all going to be 0 because of the 0 property of identity. I wish you well on the homework. Keep it up. Take care, everybody.